In this video, I am going to show you how to go shirtless on NBA 2K24 Next Gen. In NBA 2K24 Next Gen, unlocking the ability to go shirtless in the series requires progressing through the game's wrap system and joining an affiliation. Follow these steps to achieve the coveted shirtless look. Step 1. Join an affiliation, Elite or Rise. To join an affiliation, you must first complete the required objectives. These objectives typically involve participating in various in-game activities and meeting specific performance criteria. Step 2. Level up to Rookie 3 Rep. Rep is earned by playing games and performing well in court. The more games you play, the quicker you level up in Rep. Aim to reach the Rookie 3 Rep level to unlock the ability to go shirtless. Step 3. Equip No Shirt. Navigate to the My Career menu within the game. Select My Player and then navigate to Appearance. From the Appearance menu, select Clothes. Within the Clothes, choose the city to access apparel specifically for the city mode. Under the top category, locate and select No Shirt to equip this option. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.